I got an unboxing for you guys that came from the UK, and it took like a few weeks to get here, and I ordered this weeks ago. So yeah, let's unbox it and see what it is. So there it is. Got it open. So I got At Full Moon Volume 1. And, sorry about that. I forgot to turn on and mute my, ringer. So, this is about a half vampire, half werewolf. And he goes under a transformation under the full moon. He becomes a she. And, he's married to the handsome womanizing vampire David. Marlowe's figuring it all out, apparently. That is until a rich werewolf and rival vampire fall for the Moonlight Misses. I wanted to read this and give my opinion on it. There's a second volume of this. And, plan on buying it too. I read the summary on Amazon. You can only get this on Amazon. And it seemed interesting, really interesting. And this is what Marlowe looks like in his male form. So, apparently. And look at that. It got scuffed on its way here because I noticed it got scuffed because, see right there? The packaging got scuffed right there, and that's where it got scuffed. So, not happy about that. In transit, it got scuffed. So, probably when it, on the way here, it got scuffed, and the person that sent it from the UK didn't intend for it to get scuffed like that. That usually happens when it comes overseas, when I get books overseas. So, I'm happy I got it, but I'm pissed about it got scuffed like that. And also my mail carrier likes to shove things. So, I'm really happy with my purchase. I plan to read it, give my opinion. And I'll let you know if it's a good read or not. Yeah.